Hey lovely, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a ventilating needle at home. So as you can see, I had a ventilating needle and it comes with three needles, but I broke all of them because when it falls down when working it gets crooked, and when you try to straighten it, it just breaks. And there's no way you can find the needles only without the holder, so I decided to make my own. So for this project you're gonna need a plier, you're also going to need some ball head pins. You can use office pins if you don't have these ball head pins, but I assume everyone who is in wig making has these pins. And I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow brush for as a holder. So you're gonna take your plier and your ball head pin and you're gonna pinch the very tip of this pin and make your first bend just like that. And this is how it should look like when you bend it for the first time, just like that. And now you're gonna pinch a bit further for your second bend. You're gonna pinch a bit further from the tip. And there you have it. It is that simple. Now you have your own homemade venting needle. Now I'm cutting this ball head part right here because we won't need that. So in case you're like me and you already had this ventilating needle, you can continue using it as a holder. It should be fine. But if you don't have it, you can use any stick or maybe an eyeshadow brush like I'm doing here, and you're just going to tie it on the stick or on the brush. So yeah. So guys, you can see it actually works like a normal ventilating needle. The difference is that this one is homemade, but it works perfectly, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.